Look at this bad boy. Hell's to the yes. Cheerio. This is Karma Citra, but it hasn't been dry hopped yet. I'm drinking it way too fast. It's probably half gone. I was hoping to dry hop it right before like the corn roast that I have, or which I may not have, but brew meeting. You know, I'd like to make it pop for that, but one of those days, and somebody's, you know, gonna fucking be trying that shit. But I can't stay away from it as is. That's a fine beer. Love that shit. Hells yeah. What do we got going here? Look at this. See that? Temp in Fahrenheit, temp in Celsius. I got an on-off button, which controls a little LED, which happens to be off right now. Playing with the little Arduino guy. Holy shit, is that fucker small, man. Look at my finger, you know what I mean? I don't have a quarter, but I got a little fucking razor blade. Look at this. Short it out. The razor blade is bigger. Holy fuck. Do you see that? So anyway, it's small. And I don't have a breadboard, so I soldered on a couple leads. I just needed 3. And went to these bullet disconnects. And I just got it fucking clipped together. That's that little guy. Down there is the sensor, the temperature sensor. DS18B20. And this was the resistor that came with it. 4.7K, that's too big for what I'm doing. I'm giving power through it, whatever, it changes things, and I'm using 3.3 volts, that changes things, so I needed a 1K resistor. And I got to go into a serial FTDI cable, which basically just gives you, from a USB port, you can tap out the power, which is the negative, the ground, or whatever. Negative. Yeah, it's ground, negative is the black. Red is the positive voltage, I believe. Green, I think, is receive, and white is transmit. Or the green and white could be transmit, receive the other way. And then 2 unused pins. So you can use a different kind of cable or whatever, but I like these because they're individual. And I can jumper shit, you know, because I don't know, like I said, I have the breadboard. Then you can use a USB charger to power it. So it's independent of the computer. Standalone. Now if I go to my fucking phone, which is what I wanted to show. Oops. Get my thing here. And you can see this shit. At the temperature. And very nice. The LED's off. If I tap that, boom. Now it's on. Now it's off. Check that shit, man. Boom. Tap it. Look at the fucking response time. That's pretty fucking good. Pretty fucking cool. And if I touch the probe, right, my fingers will heat that bad boy up. Boom, 80. You can have it update quicker, but I'm doing it like, I don't know, if I tap that, that'll tell me the last time it was updated. Boom, just updated, so 20 some seconds. I don't want it fucking running all the time. Every second, you know, it seems stupid. But, and then I'm thinking to set the temperature, because it's going to be for temperature controller, to whatever temp you want to maintain. And maybe I got to add a box that says, like, the maintaining temp. Probably. So then you do that on that box. But you tap it, you can fucking, you know, punch in whatever the fuck and send it, whatever, you know. There's no code behind it right now for that, but that'd be the way to fucking update what temperature you want to maintain. Booyah. Seems fucking cool. I'm digging it. yeah, so that's that update. No edit. Cheerio.